In this section, we're going to be installing OpenCRAVAT for Mac OS. So I am here at the opencravat.org website. So to get started, we're going to click on this download button right here. So the next thing we need to do is download the correct installer. So we've got the Mac OS installer here. So we'll do that. So I'm going to be putting it in my downloads folder. And I'm going to open my downloads folder now after it's downloaded. And you can see we've got here, this is the OpenCRAVAT and it's a .pkg file. So to install it, we're going to have to jump through a couple of hoops here, especially because Mac OS is locked down. So I'll show you kind of how to work with that. So let's open the installer. And you'll see that we've got this warning, we can't install it because Mac OS doesn't know where it's coming from. So I'll show you how to fix that in a second. So I'll hit OK. Now I'm going to open up my system settings. So I'll show you how to get here. So you want to go into privacy and security here. This is what it'll look like when you get in there. And so I'm going to just scroll down. And if you look under the security tab, and it's going to say you couldn't install OpenCRAVAT because it's not from an identified developer. So here we're going to click Open Anyway. And it's going to say, are you really sure? And we're going to say yes. So say Open. And then now the installer is running. So those were a couple of the hoops we had to get through. So again, when you're clicking on it, you want to click on the PKG file to install it. And then you want to go into privacy and security when Mac OS doesn't let you install it and say open anyway. Okay, so let's continue. So I'm just going to use the default install location here. Just need to put in my password. And you can see now the installation was successful. So here I'll show you how to launch OpenCRAVAT in the next section. But I just want to show you, if you go into your applications folder, you can see now OpenCRAVAT is installed.